Hi, my name is Justin. I'm going to show you how to put a weight into the sinker. Usually a lot of people using a nail sinker put it right underneath, put it right here like this. But I do not like that setup. So I developed my style, and I think it's pretty good idea. So I will show you to everybody which is love of fishing bass. Okay, this is Ika, and this is Kamikachu 3, number 3 wire gap hook, and I tied it up with Palama knot. Everybody know this knot. It's favorite. The key is just leave the line below, like this. Well, do not cut the line. Just leave the whole thing's line. And just hook it up the Ika through right in the middle. Like this, just regular. They go about like this. They crawfish. They're walking on the river or lake like this. But windy, the wind pick it up and it will float away. So it's supposed to be stay in the bottom. So a lot of people put a nail sinker into the bottom right here, but when you do that, one thing I don't like it because the Ika, the body part is getting fatter, and when you fish bite, you scratch the hooks, and it won't get good. It won't come out good action. So what I'm gonna do is to leave the line the behind, and go ahead and grab the stitching needle. Try to get a biggest you want. And this is a 12 test pound. And just tie them up just anyway, whatever you want. Make sure you just hold him right there. And look closely. This line go through right in the middle, Ika, right here to the nose. Try to put right in the middle. Right into the middle. Go through all the way to the bottom. You see it? The needle goes through the Ika body, and it goes all the way. Pull the line all the way down. 얼마나 지났냐?
4분.
See? The main line and the bottom line. And just do not cut this line until I say so. Just leave the line least about 12 inch, 10 inch. You need a clipping sinker, the small one, which is like a punching one. So you can just take it off, take it in, and you just stick it in the line and punch it. Just make sure do not push through all the way in. Try to punch right in the front, so it will hold the line better. See it? And you just gently push down until the end. Done. Finish. You see this? The region is this this league is better than a nail sinker because the balance. Think about the balance. This one stays right at the edge, so it's more live action. If you use a nail sinker, you fall down more faster. I like the vertical action. You see? And the reason I tell you to leave, do not cut the line, you can use this lead with the drop shot lead, which is all you gotta do is just slide down until the end, or you can just add a drop shot sinker, and you just add in more weight because of the windy. This is for the windy day. All right, drop shot, or just using a sinker, just the sinker as a regular setup. This is incredible setup. I tested out. I caught so many bass with this windy day. Windy day, you can just can casting, and you can. So I will show you how it works in the water. So just follow me. You see that? You fall down really slowly. If you use a nail sinker, you fall, it claps so fast. But if you do this, it stays up, and the water current makes more stable. 몇 번째야?
744.
Okay.